my friend. Have you ever made a model in Fuse and then imported it into Blender here? And it looks like this horrible monstrosity that we got here. He looks inside out. I made this in Fuse and imported him in, and this is how he came. And the solution to this is really easy. Okay, it's not hard at all. Uh, First, you have to like and subscribe to the video, all right, because I need supporters. And if that doesn't work, then you could try this alternative by clicking on the material tab down here and see this item here that says show backface. Click it off. Oh, what do you know? He's all set. But you know what? You can like and subscribe anyway. All right, until the next one, peace out.